Hello, welcome student to techniyojan. Myself Ajit Kumar. Today we'll see HTML programs for your class 12th HSC Maharashtra Board computer science subject. Okay, computer science paper 1, right? So it is very much important. I would say 10 marks is in your hand. Okay, so 5 marks questions they used to ask, right? So sorry, so basically this some few important questions that I have listed for you, so you can refer this and definitely you will able to score all marks, okay, for HTML programs. So right over here, this is one example. Okay, some li tags being used, header tag is being used, then finally the order tag, okay, order list tag I would say. So yeah, the output displays like this. So this type of output, they can ask the code and write the output, or the output they will display for you and you have to write the code. Okay, so yeah, then second, this. Okay, so again some subject pattern by using some tags, formatting tag and then a paragraph tag. Okay, formatting, basic formatting I would say, italics, underline, this all. Okay, so the output looks like this. Then again this third one, computer shop, and this some address, software. Okay, again the output looks like this. Then the fourth one, some table tag usage. Okay, see over here, the table tag start over here, then the table row, then the table data. Okay, like this. See the output, right? So this is the fourth question. Then the fifth, the output is being displayed over here. Okay, that means some header is there, then some listing is there, an ordered listing and unordered listing. The bullets, the disc are showing as unordered listing. Okay, the part of unordered listing. See over here, list type, style type, disc they have taken. Okay, then again derived. Okay, so like this. So now again the output. Okay, which tag it will be used? Table tag. Okay, again I will go over here, table tag. See, the border was there, so the border 1, then again the td, the first row tr, then the second row, then the third row, then the fourth row. Okay, like it goes on. So now some call span, row span concept will be there because a spanning is there over here. Okay, so table tag 7th one. So over here, see, call span I have taken 3 call span. The column is spanned around 3 rows. See over here, the column being spanned to 3 rows. Okay, sorry, the row being spanned for 3 columns, these 3 columns. Okay, so like this means the row is being spanned out. Okay, so the call span will be 3 and then this data. Okay, fine. Now over here, see, the row is been spanned out, means this particular row is being spanned with these 3 rows. Okay, so now what they will use? Row span. See over here, the row span has been used. Okay, row span, row span. Okay, this is the program. You can take a note of this. Now here, see, row is there being spanned out and column is also being spanned out. This column, then this is the row. Okay, so both you have to use. It is big tricky part, a difficult one I would say. So don't be bothered about this. Maybe this will not ask you in your exams, but prior to these questions, this 8 questions you should do. Okay, this is a difficult part, but then also please practice on this. See over here, call span they have taken, call span and row span. First call span, row span, then again the call span. Okay, fine. This is the code, you can write it out. or no, make a note of it. Okay, so like this it ends. Now again 10th question. Okay, see HTML code again, row span, call span. Okay, so now fine, see again this is a question, another question, row span call span wala question. Okay, so you can make a note of it or you can take a snapshot over for this. See over here, table border, call span, row span, call span. Okay, this again height and width has been set out. Then again see over here, row span, for sale it is row span, the output you can see. Okay, so over here again you can check it out. This is along with CSS for proper alignment, all stuff. Okay, this is also a code, you can take the snap of this. Okay, I'm making it over here like this. Okay, fine, yeah, it finished off. Okay students, so like this you have to practice for your exam. Okay, for computer science, the question that is being asked, this HTML programming, under HTML programming, okay, for 5 marks, to write a program or to make an estimation of an output. Okay, and if my IT students are also watching this, they also can take benefit from this because they have the first chapter HTML programming in advanced web designing. Over there also they can make help of this. Okay, they can avail the help of this programming, right? So yeah, that's it student. So for HTML, this table tag, usage of table tag, li tag, ul tag and styling tag and all, you can refer this, right? This will help you in computer science. This could help for IT peoples also that have the 5 marks wala question HTML CSS programming that is coming on board exam, online exams. Okay, so till then we'll come with another section of video. Basically after this I will come with important questions or preparation concept for computer science paper 1 and paper 2. Okay, so stay tuned with techniyojan. Share this video with your friends, students, like this video if you like it, and definitely subscribe this channel for later videos and your knowledge enhancement of your class 11-12 computer subjects. Okay, till then, thank you, have a good day.